Hello and welcome to Empower Talks. I'm Taqi Haider and today we have a very special guest. He's a Dean from School of Media and Design, Dr. Feroz Mohammed with me. Dr. Feroz, welcome to Empower Talks.
Thank you very much for inviting me to Empower Talks. I'm delighted, truly happy to be here.
Okay, so in this podcast, we are going to discuss about career in media education, and there are a lot of aspects associated with this. So let me just start with this. How do you see a career in media education in current scenario?
The history of humankind is the history of evolving communication technologies. In an era of rapid communication and technological changes, the media industry is changing. We are living in an age of AI, artificial intelligence. We need to reinvent ourselves.
And let's say that if 11th or 12th standard student watching us, listening to our podcast, and he or she is interested in media, so what kind of suggestion would you like to give to them?
I think those pursuing 11th and 12th, and if they want to make a career in media and creative industry, this is one of the most exciting times. Look at the various media platforms and look at the kind and the quality of content being created. It's a huge industry. One can pursue his or her career in journalism. In journalism itself, one can pursue in print journalism, digital journalism, which we call it online journalism, which is also called convergent journalism. And then one can also pursue advertising. One can also pursue public relations. One can also pursue entertainment media, that's creative industry. So a lot of opportunities. Those aspiring to be in the media and the creative industry, they should definitely go ahead and explore career opportunities in media and creative industry.
Recent, I was talking to you and you told me that our media science department, DMS department, is one of the best in North Bengal. So tell our audience that why DMS department is the best in the whole North Bengal region.
At Inspiria, we have a School of Design and Media. The Department of Media Science is one of the most lively, vibrant departments of all. We believe in working along with the students. As part of Media Science Department, we have Inspiria Television. We invite senior media professionals from the industry. We take our students for educational excursions. We give them ample amount of time and opportunities to create content. So I understand that why I call we have one of the best media departments, only because one is the hands-on experience, the infra which we have, and the way we work with the students on day-to-day basis. And they get ample amount of time and opportunities to create and the hands-on experience. So that is why we call us one of the best.
I'm sure people definitely will come in a huge number. And as you mentioned about heart, soul, beauty campus, vibrant culture. Yes, we all these elements are there in Inspiria Knowledge Campus. Do what you love is our slogan.
Hopefully the message will go to people and they are going to be part of us.
So I just wanted to say thank you very much for joining me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. So on this note, I would like to end the podcast. I'll see with some other guests. Till then, please take care of yourself. Thank you very much.